Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami paper box. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves from both the sides and press well. Now fold a triangle from the top to the bottom. Then from the other side, repeat the step and press well. Now fold from the bottom. Now fold from one side towards the middle crease. Now from the other side, press it well. Now fold it from the bottom and press it. Again fold it and press. Now fold it inwards and press well. Then from the other side, repeat the step. And press well. Now fold from the top and press it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the look of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now press it well and open it. And shape it from the bottom. Pressing well. Making its shape by pressing the edges. You may glue the bottom and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.